Inhlangano I-Notinmyname igxeke iziphathimandla zesikole ngokungathatheli izinyathelo ezifanele. Uthisha osolwa ngezinsolo zokunukubezwa ngokocansi umfundi wakulesi sikole nokuhluleka ukuvikela umfundi.
We're here, number one, to get answers. Two, to make sure that the alleged perpetrator is not working at the school any longer. A case has been opened. It's more than 7 days. We want to find out how far that is and why is the person still not arrested. And furthermore, what steps has the school taken to make sure that an incident like this never ever happens again, because silence is complicity. So we want to make sure that issues like these don't rise in a country where gender-based violence, femicide and sexual assault is at such a high stage.
Uyise walentombazanyana uthi usanda kuthola ngalesi gameko kusolakala ukuthi senze kanyakenye ngemuva kokuthi indodakazi yakhe imvulele isifuba ngokuthi ayizizwa iphephile esikoleni njengoba yanukubezwa ngokocansi uthisha wayo.
I came to ask the principal what steps they took, what measures were taken, where is the perpetrator, and I couldn't get none of that information. When I asked my daughter, she says the guy is no longer here. They were told that he's sick. But then I'm hearing that the guy was moved to another school. It has affected her for over a year. She hasn't been herself, she has dropped, and she's just not okay till this day. I am firstly demanding that the perpetrator be arrested, as seen yesterday.
I-Notinmyname ifuna umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng ungenelele.